And there we go. Yep. The whole reason for that train was just so I can hang up my tools. Because why not, right? I mean, if you had a railroad and a bunch of tools laying out, I mean, wouldn't you use the railroad to put the tools away? Yeah, why not? Well, I hope you enjoyed this little frivolous bit of action, which served a little bit of a purpose in my putting the tools away in my ratty old shed. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe, and you can become a channel member if you'd like, and you receive some perks there. And also you can receive different perks if you go to patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.